My immediate right. Your name, your school, and then your class. Yes. So you let us know your name, your school, and then your class.
My name is Elizabeth Obribia Asara. I'm representing LARTEH Methodist JHS, and I'm in Form 3.
So let's clap for
My name is Dankwa Egufuso Isaiah. I am representing LARTEH Methodist JHS, and I'm in Form 3.
Yes, so for LARTEH Methodist, we have Elizabeth and Isaiah. Let's clap for them. We'll move straight to the next school, Mamfi Presby JHS.
My name is Judith Kakbe, and I'm representing my Presby JHS. I'm in Form 3.
So Mamfi Presby JHS is being represented by Judith and Manuela. Let's clap for them. Yes, Methodist.
My name is Ate Denisa, and I'm representing Mount Matthews. I'm in Form 3.
My name is Florence. I'm representing Mount Methodist JHS, and I'm in Form 3.
Let's clap for them.
Please, this is a friendly match. Some people are taking the thing as if it's a World Cup. But you relax, why you tense to do? Teachers never be by half year no power on three. But you are there. Yes, you have been, but you are and consultants, maybe. And then competitors, Srekakra. A friendly match. On behalf of the Municipal Director of Education, Mr. Lawrence Jarrett, I want to welcome all of you to this maiden program. We are having this program because we want our learners to have an atmosphere of healthy competition so that we can achieve better results. So we are here to just learn from each other and to show what we have. Please, we are not looking for last person or first person. We want a healthy competition. Is that okay? Good. If you come first, well done. If you come last, well done. You have shown what you have. And we know going forward, we can improve. If you take the door here on my right, and you go down, there is a washroom there. So you can go and ease yourself there. And then if you go up here too, there is another washroom, you can use it. We have asked a few sellers to come around because some of you came so early you haven't eaten. During the break, you can go out and buy something to eat. Teachers, please, this is a healthy competition. The example we set is what our learners are going to follow. If you have any query, please, your head is there, the planning committee is there, we are all around. Please bring it. Let's not do anything that will take the beauty of this program away. Let's not do anything. So teachers, let's try to control ourselves. If something is not clear, bring it, we'll find a way of solving it. And please, learners, let's also clap for every school that is participating. This is for the whole circuit. It is a LARTEH school, Ewaha. Now, one supporters name no. Now, one answer question. Now, you have they get the encouragement to continue. In Jimpacho said, Bon, me muse, who school one or one semama, Bebo Modia, Katameni, Papa Wahakra, my befriend will be in our whole school. You want some more Pia, it's a 4-second program. Is that okay? It's a bonamente, say a latte Methodist, say a latte Methodist, the answer, depends on what you say. Say a Manfi Presby, the answer, depends on what you say. Say a Methodist churches, Manfi answer, depends on what you say. You want some more Pia, is that okay? And then the last thing, the heads are here. Let me say that they have played a very key role in having this. The climax will be on the 11th. Heads, let's try to also talk to our teachers if they have issues so that it doesn't go out of hand. On behalf of that, I want to say a big welcome to all of you and may the best school emerge the winner. Thank you.
Before we start, let's take the rules for engagement. Once again, we have 4 rounds: mathematics, science, true or false, and problem for the day. We have 3 contestants, as you can see, but only 2 is allowed to sit for a round. So after the first round, the school is allowed to make a change. Some questions will have only 1 attempt. Some will have several attempts within the time given. True or false questions. If correctly answered, 3 points. Wrongly answered, penalty of -1. Questions involving calculation will take 30 seconds, and questions without calculation, 15 seconds. Bonus question will take 5 seconds. Manfi, Methodist churches. And preamble to all schools. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. Manfi, Methodist. Simplify 1/8 plus 2/9 minus 1/2. A bonus to Manfi Presby. LARTEH Methodist for a bonus.
The answer is 44.
No. Audience. Audience. Minus 1/2. Coming in.
8 out of 9.
No.
7 out of 20.
7 out of 20, correct for 1 point. LARTEH Methodist is your question. Simplify. Bracket open. 5/4 minus 1/2 bracket close, divided by 2/5.
The answer is 5.
No.
15 out of 8.
15 out of 8 correct for 3 points. Murphy, Methodist. Arrange the fraction 2/3, 1/2, 5/6, 3/4 in ascending order.
One over 2, 2/3, 3/4, 5 out of 6.
Correct for 3 points. Simplify 12/18 times 9/4.
Three out of 2.
Correct for 1 point. LARTEH Methodist, your question. Which of the following fraction is the greatest? Which of the following fraction is the greatest? 2/5, 3/11, 6/7.
Out of 7.
Correct for 3 points. Murphy Methodist. Simplify -56/7. -8, correct for 3 points. Murphy Presby. 4 times bracket open, -5 bracket close. 4 times bracket open, -5 bracket close. -20, correct for 3. LARTEH Methodist. Evaluate 7 minus 9 plus 4, bracket open, 5 minus 10, bracket close. Seven minus 9 plus 4, bracket open, 5 minus 10, bracket close.
-10.
No.
Negative 30.
I'm sorry. Methodist.
Negative 32.
Presley. No. Audience. Presley. Find the value of x if 3 is to x is equal to 6 is to 10. Find the value of x if 3 is to x is equal to 6 is to 10. Five is correct for 3 points. The total number of sticks in a box is 270. The total number of sticks in a box is 270. Find the number of sticks in 20 similar boxes. The total number of sticks in a box is 270. Find the number of sticks in 20 similar boxes. No, for a bonus.
1,400.
I'm sorry. Presley. Audience methods. 56 is to 22 is equal to y is to 11. Find y. 56 is to 22 is equal to y is to 11. Find y.
Y is 28.
Y is 28, correct for 3 points. A man has 3 sons. A man has 3 sons whose ages are 12 years, 9 years, and 24 years. Find the ratio of their ages. A man has 3 sons whose ages are 12 years, 9 years, and 24 years. Find the ratio of their ages.
3 is to 6 is to 8.
No.
1 is to 2 is to 4.
No. 12 years, 9 years, and 24 years.
9 is to 12 is to 24.
I'm sorry, it's the wrong answer. Methodist.
4 is to 3 is 8.
Come again.
4 is to 3 is to 8.
4 is to 3 is to 8, correct for 1 point. Major question. Isaiah and David share 700 cities among themselves in the ratio 2 is to 5. Isaiah and David share 700 Ghana cities among themselves in the ratio 2 is to 5. Find David's share. $500 is correct for 3 points. Methodist. What is the value of x in 4, 3, x if the mean is 5? What is the value of x in 4, 3, x if the mean is 5?
X is equal to 2.
No, sorry, it's the wrong answer.
X is equal to 10.
S is equal to 10. Correct for 3 points. Preamble. Use the data to find answers to the following. Use the data to find answers to the following. The score obtained by 8 people in a test are the score obtained by 8 people in a test are 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9. The score obtained by 8 people in a test are 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9. Firstly, what is the mode? 8 is correct for 3 points. Find the median. Find the median.
12.
I'm sorry.
5.
No.
6.
6 is correct. Mean score of the data.
Mean is 5.
Mean is 5, correct for the data. Firstly, the probability that a people choosing at random score 8 marks. We are still using the same preamble. The probability that a people choosing at random scores 8 marks. One over 4 correct for 3 points. Methodist, LARTEH, your question. The probability that a people choosing at random score 3 marks.
1 out of 8. 1 out of 8.
1 out of 8 correct for 3 points. Methodist. What is the smallest number divisible by 10 and 50? We are not using the preamble. What is the smallest number divisible by 10 and 15? 30 is correct for 3 points. First, the common factor of 10 and 15. Highest common factor of 10 and 15.
It's 5.
5 is correct. Method is LARTEH. What is the sum of the first 4 even numbers?
Wait.
20 is correct for 3 points. Manfi Methodist. What 3 numbers have their sum equal to their product? What 3 numbers have their sum equal to their product? I'm sorry.
2, 3, and 5.
2, 3, and no.
2, 3, and 6.
I'm sorry. Manfi.
2 times 3. Or 2 and 3.
And did you see that?
2 and 3.
I'm sorry. LARTEH. No, audience, the highest common factor of 48, 30, and 18. Highest common factor of 48, 30, and 18. Find the highest common factor. Methodist. 3. Methodist. 6. Thank you, Mandela. Last question to LARTEH, Methodist. Express 24 as a product of prime factors. Express 24 as a product of prime factors. Come again. 2 raised the power 3 times 3 is the correct answer. 1. Round 1. At the end of round 1, Manfield Methodist JHS 22 points. Manfield Presby JHS 18 points. LARTEH Methodist JHS 23 points. So move straight to round 2. The change. Manfield Methodist JHS. Amos replaced Ebenezer. Manfield Presby JHS. Isaac for Judith. LARTEH Methodist JHS, Ebenezer for Elizabeth. Thank you. We'll move to round 2. Once again, we want to acknowledge our sponsors. First on our list is Ghana Education Service, their patrons. We are very grateful. We also have Presby Church of Ghana, Emmanuel Congregation, Manfield. We are very grateful for your sponsorship. LARTEH Circuit Conference of Head of Basic Schools, our head teachers, we are very grateful for your support. We also have LARTEH Roman Catholic Church, LARTEH Methodist Church, Manfield Presby Church, Prince of Peace Congregation. We also have our Holy Father, Mr. Benjamin Ogri Danso, one of our sponsors. We also have our own CISO as our sponsor. CISO, we are very grateful for this opportunity. Our media partners joining us, we also have the Radio Mountain. We are in our midst, Radio Mountain, you are most welcome. We have Isaiah Media, our own brother, Sir Isaiah, who is streaming live on Facebook for us. We also have our main media partner, Control Media Mampo. We are very grateful for coming around. Second contest or second round, general science. The rule stands. Questions involving calculation, 30 seconds. Questions without calculation, we have 15 seconds. Some questions will have only one attempt, and some you work within the 15 seconds. We'll start with Manfi, Presby, JHS. What is the chemical symbol for common salt?
Capital N, small a, capital C, small a.
And it's called
Sodium chloride.
sodium chloride. Correct for 3 points. What type of bond involves the transfer of electrons between atoms? What type of bond involves the transfer of electrons between atoms?
Ionic bond.
Ionic bond, correct for 3 points. What acid is commonly found in battery?
Sulfuric acid.
Sulfuric acid, correct for 3 points. All schools. Provide the systematic name for the following substance. Systematic name. Manfi, Presby, JHS, NH4Cl, NH4Cl.
Ammonium chloride.
Ammonium chloride, correct for 3 points. LARTEH, Methodist, FeO. FeO.
Iron oxide.
No, we will not go for second attempt. Manfi, Methodist JHS, your question. FeCl2. Iron 2 chloride, correct for 3 points. Manfi, Presby, JHS, SO3.
Sulfuric acid.
No, we will not go for second attempt. LARTEH, Methodist JHS, CaCO3.
Ebenezer, keep right about
Your major question, Methodist. CaCl2.
Calcium 2 chloride.
No. What does acidic means in terms of pH? What does acidic mean in terms of pH?
The power of hydrogen.
Acidic in terms of pH. pH scale.
corrosive.
No. LARTEH for a bonus. Methodist. pH less than 7. What is a scientific model? What is a scientific model? Methodist for a bonus.
It's the scientific way of writing compound.
Presby for a bonus. Audience. How is heat from the sun transmitted to the earth?
Through radiation.
Through radiation, correct. Manfred Presley JHS. This is a preamble to all schools. We know about reproduction. We have two types, vegetative or asexual and what? Sexual reproduction. I'll provide you with some. Then you will tell me the parent and the type of what? Vegetative propagation. Is that okay? Manfred Presley JHS. An example. Let me give you an example. Let's say maize. So the vegetative propagation, the method is what? Seed. Is that okay? So method Presley, plantain. No. Come again.
Yes, sir.
Alright, we'll give it to 3 points. It's called saka, not the cassava. Cassava.
Root sugar.
No.
The whole onion.
It's okay. It's okay. For the crew. Methodist.
Stem tuber.
No. Audience.
That is the question.
Ginger. Cocoyam.
Stem tuber.
The one for Tibasa. Methodist. Methodist. Manfred Presley. Audience. Methodist. Garlic. Garlic.
Ball.
Ball is correct for 3 points. Nancy Presley. Find the velocity ratio of an inclined plane of length 16 meters if the height from the ground is 4 meters and the efficiency of the machine is 80%. Find the velocity ratio of an inclined plane of length 16 meters if the height from the ground is 4 meters and the efficiency of the machine is 80%. No. How many? No. Mathematics.
64 meters per second.
No. Methodist.
1,600 meters.
I'm sorry, it's a wrong answer. Calculate the pressure exerted by water in a rectangular water tank whose dimensions are 3 meters by 2 meters if the weight of the tank is 120 Newton. Calculate the pressure exerted by water in a rectangular water tank whose dimensions are 3 meters by 2 meters if the weight of the tank is 120 Newton. No. Methodist. No. Wesley. 20 is correct. A piece of equipment of mass 3 kg. A piece of equipment of mass 3 kg was put onto a shelf. It was lifted to a height of 2 meters from the ground. A piece of equipment of mass 3 kg was put onto a shelf. It was lifted to a height of 2 meters from the ground. If it takes 3 seconds to do the lifting, how much work was done? Take gravity to be equal to 10 meters per second squared. A piece of equipment of mass 3 kg was put onto a shelf. It was lifted to a height of 2 meters from the ground. If it takes 3 seconds to do the lifting, how much work was done? Take gravity G to be equal to 10 meters per second squared.
20.
No. Please add the units if you are mentioning your answer.
Joules.
No.
60
Presley?
joules.
No. Methodist? No. What is your question? An engine raises 100 kg of water through a height of 60 meters. An engine raises 100 kg of water through a height of 60 meters in 20 seconds. What is the power of the engine?
30 watt.
30 watts, I'm sorry. Methodist, LARTEH.
300 watt.
No. Methodist, monthly.
3,000 watts.
3,000 watts, correct for Presley. Who method is your question? Oh, sorry. LARTEH method is your question. What weight of water would exert a pressure of 2,000 Pascal on a base of rectangular water tank with dimension 50 meters by 20 meters? What weight of water would exert a pressure of 2,000 Pascal on a base of a rectangular water tank with dimensions 50 meters by 20 meters? What weight of water would exert a pressure of 2,000 Pascal on a base of a rectangular water tank with dimension 50 meters by 20 meters? No.
5,000.
I'm sorry. Method is nothing.
2. 2 newtons.
Correct for 1 point. So I can't afford what you have. Your question: an elephant of mass 500 kg, an elephant of mass 500 kg stands with all 4 feet on the ground. Each foot has an area of 0.08 meters squared. Calculate the pressure exerted on the ground. An elephant of mass 500 kg stands with all 4 feet on the ground. Each foot has an area of 0.08 meters squared. Calculate the pressure exerted on the ground.
40 newtons.
No.
40 Pascal.
No.
One 16,000 Pascal.
No. Mountain. Presley JHS.
1,000.
Come again.
1,000.
No. LARTEH. No. Universal gravitation. Who formulated the law of universal gravitation? Come again. Talk louder. Isaac Newton, correct for 3 points. LARTEH. What is the term of resistance of an object to change its state of motion? What is the term of resistance of an object to change its state of motion? I'll give you 1 out of 3. The first one, the answer was law of what? Inertia. So the answer is what? Inertia. But he mentioned what? First law. And the first law is what? Which blood cell helps to fight infections? White blood cell, correct for 3 points. And let's break out from the start. And as Siso mentioned to us, this is a learning ground. We are all learning. We've identified some 2 errors and we have rectified them as such. There was a question given to Manfi Presby about the vegetative propagation, which they mentioned was SAC. And we identified that the SAC can be SA, maybe they think it's SA or SU. So I have taken my 1 point, 2 points back from Presby JHS. And the same school, there was a question that the answer is 60 joules. She mentioned the answer but was taken back. So that mark will also be given back to them as well. So as we go on, any challenge we will rectify as well. We are all learning. Thank you very much. So at the end of round 2, Manfi Methodist JHS, 18 points. Manfi Presby JHS, 15 points. LARTEH Methodist JHS, 5 points. We are moving straight to the 3rd round, which is true or false. So round 3. At this point, before we start the 3rd round, schools are allowed to make changes if you want to. And this round is true or false. And the true or false is also going for science and maths. So any school who want to effect change, we can do that before we start with this round. And LARTEH Methodist JHS will start for us. Round 1, Methodist, Manfi Methodist start round 1. Round 2, Manfi Presby. So round 3, LARTEH Methodist JHS. And we know as usual, true or false, no bonus. Correct answer, 3 points. Wrong answer, penalty of -1. If you don't know the answer, please just say pass. Then we give it to the next group to attempt. If the next group attempt wrongly, -1. So please, contestants, take note. And the score we have over there, that is not the final. We still have round 4 to go, problem for the day. So nobody should lose courage. It's a teamwork. Before you give the answer, communicate to your friend. It's a teamwork. Is that okay? So we'll begin with LARTEH. So please. The problem for the day, we will not make a change. JHS, your question. Self-pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower of the same plant. True or false? Self-pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther of a flower to the stigma of another flower of the same plant. True or false? True. It's a true statement. Correct for 3 points. Methodist. In classification of flowering plants, monocotyledonous plants have broad leaves and netted venation in their leaves. True or false? Audience, please, let's stop it.
True.
It's a false statement. They lie to you. Firstly, the position of the cotyledon determines the type of germination. The position of the cotyledon determines the type of germination. True or false? LARTEH.
True.
It's a true statement. LARTEH. Methodist, your question. On the periodic table, the group of the element determines the number of shells of the element. True or false?
False.
It's a false statement. Correct for 3 points. Digestion is completed in the large intestine. True or false?
False.
It's a false statement. Mulching is the removal of surplus seedlings from the area grown with seeds. Mulching is the removal of surplus seedlings from the area grown with seeds. True or false?
False.
It's a false statement. LARTEH. Methodist. Blood group A are universal recipients, whilst blood group O are universal donors. True or false?
True.
It's a true statement. Correct for 3 points. Methodist. In formation of a compound, an atom gains electron to become a cation. True or false?
False.
It's a false statement. After pollination, the next stage of development is fertilization. True or false? It's a true statement. Correct for 3 points. Presby, LARTEH. Methodist. An atom, sodium, has atomic number 11 and 2 shells because it is in period 2. True or false?
False.
It's a false statement. Correct for 3 points. Methodist. All anions are metalloids. True or false?
False.
It's a false statement. Correct for 3 points. The transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the filament is known as pollination. True or false? Oh, it's a false statement. -1. Anther to the filament. Methodist. The sum of the first 10 whole numbers is 55. True or false? Methodist Manfield.
True.
It's a true statement. Method is your question. Monthly Methodist. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 3, 4. True or false?
False.
It's a false statement. Of 1/8 is equal to 1/16. True or false? Half of 1/8 is equal to 1/16. True or false?
False.
Oh no, this is a true statement. LARTEH Methodist. Subtracting 125.47 from 203.90 gives 78.43. True or false?
Read the question.
Subtracting 125.47 from 203.90 gives 78.43. True or false?
True.
Yes, it's a true statement. Under the mapping, x maps to 10 minus 2x is 4. True or false? The image of mapping, the image of 2 under the mapping x maps to 10 minus 2x is 4. True or false?
False.
It's a false statement, correct for 3 teachers. 15 divided into 12 equal parts gives 1.25. True or false? 15 divided into 12 equal parts gives 1.25. True or false?
Yeah, question. Read the question.
15 divided into 12 equal parts gives 1.25. True or false?
False.
It's a true statement. Minus. LARTEH. The greatest number among the numbers. The greatest number among the numbers. 0.301, 0.3, 0.33, 0.03 is 0.33. True or false? The greatest number among the numbers. 0.301, 0.3, 0.33, 0.03 is 0.33. True or false?
True.
It's a true statement, correct for 3 points. Manfi, Methodist. If 4 bracket open m plus 4 bracket close is equal to 18, then the value of m is 1/2. True or false? If 4 bracket open m plus 4 bracket close is equal to 18, then the value of m is 1/2. True or false?
True.
It's a true statement, correct for 3 points. Manfi. The image of -4 under the mapping x maps to 1/2x minus 2 is -4. True or false? The image of -4 under the mapping x maps to 1/2x minus 2 is -4. True or false?
True.
It's a true statement. Alright, so this brings us to the end of round 3. Methodist JHS 20 points. Manfi Presby JHS 3 points. LARTEH Methodist JHS 24 points. You are using 10 minutes. So you may turn the paper and read over the question. Turn the paper. Together. Audience, please. An Olympic 100-meter final race. 3 athletes, Gaza, Fulera, and Nora, finished the race in 9 seconds, 7 seconds, and 10 seconds respectively. Determine the winner of the race with respect to their speed. In an Olympic 100-meter final race, 3 athletes, Gaza, Fulera, and Nora, finished the race in 9 seconds, 7 seconds, and 10 seconds, respectively. Determine the winner of the race with respect to their speed. Start work. In the challenge or the problem for the day, the first thing is the total distance by each athlete. So that's the 100-meter final race. And when we pick the speed of Gaza moves with 9 seconds. And we know speed is distance over time taken, which they all label the distance over time taken. So when we pick Gaza, the 100 meters, that's the total distance covered, over 9, which will give us 11.11 meter per second. When we pick the next person, Fulera, his time is 7 seconds. So 100 divided by 7 will give us 14.29 meter per second. The last person, Nora 10 seconds. So 100 meters divided by 10 seconds will give us 10 meter per second. So with respect to their speed, Fulera will be the winner of the race, having the highest speed that is 14.29 meter per second. LARTEH Methodist JHS, Gaza well represented, 100/9, and they had 11.1 meter per second units well written, so they score the mark for that one. Fulera 100 meters over 10 seconds, and they had 14.28 meter per second well represented. So total LARTEH had 10/10. Let's give it to them. Manfi Methodist JHS, Gaza 10/9, that is 11.11. At the first place without the units. I wanted to penalize them, but I saw it at the down over here. Therefore, Gaza finished the race with a speed of 11.11 meter per second, so they have a full mark to that. Fulera speed, distance over time taken, that's 100/7, still 14.22, no units, but at the down, therefore, Fulera finished the race with a speed of 14.22 meter per second, so they had a full mark. Nora, the same thing. So LARTEH Methodist JHS 10/10. Manfi Methodist JHS, sorry. Manfi Presbyterian JHS, Gaza, distance 10/9, which they had 11.1 meter per second, full mark for that. Fulera 100/7, 14.3 meter per second, means that they approximate the 2.29 to 3, so they had a full mark for that. Nora 100/10, and that's 10 meter per second. So Manfi Presby JHS also score 10/10. Let's do it.